In this video, I'll show you how to set up 1099 contractors in QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open your company. Next, go to Expenses and select Vendors. Now click New or Add a Vendor to create a contractor profile. Enter the contractor's name, email address, and contact information. After that, check the option to track payments for 1099 reporting if it's available in your QuickBooks account. Next, enter the contractor's tax information from their completed Form W-9, including their tax ID or Social Security number. Make sure the information matches the W-9 exactly. Now save the contractor's profile and use this vendor whenever you record payments made to that contractor. After that, make sure contractor payments are assigned to the correct expense accounts so QuickBooks can include eligible payments when preparing 1099 forms. Next, review your contractor list and confirm that each eligible contractor has the correct tax information and 1099 tracking settings. Finally, keep the contractor's W-9 forms and payment records organized so you're ready for year-end reporting. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up 1099 contractors in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.